Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and Motul injector cleaner through the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition, set the parking brake, pull the hood release handle and open the hood. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to an EGR breakdown: loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. Remove the engine cover. You should be able to see the EGR valve and its intake duct. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 12mm socket, remove the two screws that connect the air intake duct to the EGR valve. Then, using the same tools, unscrew the 4 screws holding the EGR valve on the engine block. Move the hose. You can now remove the EGR valve. Disconnect the power supply from the valve. To do so, push down on the plastic tab. Don't forget to grab the 2 metal gaskets from the valve. The metal pipe and the connection between the engine block and the EGR valve are likely to be dirty, so don't hesitate to clean them in order to really benefit from the performance of your new EGR valve.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You can find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and linked in the description. Replace the metal gasket on the engine block. Put the new EGR valve in place. Roughly, put the 2 valve retaining screws and the hose clamp back in place. Reinsert the second metal gasket and secure it with 2 retaining screws. Put the last 2 screws back in place. Then screw everything back in. Reconnect the EGR valve connections. To complete the operation, take advantage of the opportunity to clean your injection system by directly pouring injector cleaner into your reservoir, which will help avoid numerous problems linked to injection and will guarantee optimal engine ignition. Operation complete.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.